Okay, Thursday, October 27th, just a follow-up on the SPY as we look at how opening price action is developing. We had a neutral first bar that couldn't really move up and kind of stay neutral, and then we're moving down here on bar number 2. So I would actually sell this breakout of bar number 1 here to the downside with a stop here kind of at the top of this bar, midpoint to the first bar, and kind of expect it to take out these pre-market lows. When it takes out the pre-market lows, then that kind of sets up a 2-down day to, again, broaden out below the low of Tuesday. So it looks like we're getting that down opening to try to trade with a tight stop. It would, if we get a big red bar here or some kind of a red bar, you could see how it will, in the end of the day, look like it's below the midpoint of the prior day, moving lower. So price action is definitely, working its way lower. What you want to see here, given the fact you're getting the downside action below, from above the pre-market lows, once it takes out these lows, then you want to see if we fail or continue, because this is an area you can just take out stops and then immediately reverse. But until this market now gets above the midpoint of the first bar, it's going to stay on the downside as anticipated from the open, and then kind of watching an opening price action to confirm. So let's see. It looks like we're breaking through the pre-market lows. If we get a 2-down day, let's see if we kind of hold this area and then continue lower towards our first target, or whether or not this is just a brief failure bar and start somehow to reverse and kind of start back up to the high. So we'll watch this now as we take out the pre-market lows and kind of judge where to go from there. Again, you're short about here, so if we can get below that area, you have a little bit of a cushion if you just don't see the follow through lower, but we'll just see where price action takes us today.